अभिनय के छोटे भाई सुल्तान, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. मिस्टर सुल्तान.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, respected audience, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sultan and I am 9 years old. Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to give a speech for Independence Day of Pakistan. 14 August, the day of Pakistan. This is a common day for other nations, but this is the most valuable day for Pakistan. Now I am going to tell you the meaning of Pakistan. The word of Pakistan is combination of two words. Pak means fierce and Stan means homeland. Dear audience, both words belong to Persian and Urdu language. Being a Pakistani, we must celebrate 14 August by thanking to All Might for Allah for giving this homeland after immense sacrifices. Dear audience, the Pakistan came into existence due restless efforts of Quaid-e-Azam, the great leader. Muhammad Ali Jinnah proved to be a great leader, and his name has been written in golden words in the history of Pakistan. Happy Independence Day to whole nation. Pakistan Zindabad. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad.
Mahnoor, please come on the stage or have a few words.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, respected audience, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Manur and I'm 7 years old. I'm glad to join you here today of Independence Day. Dear audience, I'm here to make you remember the day of independence, the day of 14 August when Islamic Republic of Pakistan came into being. 14 August 1947, Pakistan attained freedom from British and Hindu rule. Every year, August 14 is celebrated as the Independence Day in Pakistan. Respected audience, as a Pakistani, we need to realize that Pakistan was established in the name of Islam. We need to show unity and brotherhood. We need to act upon guiding unity, faith, and discipline. Thanks everybody. Pakistan Zindabad. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad.